Hello friends, welcome to Key to Goal channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest general knowledge questions related to the science and technology. So watch the complete video, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. Question number 1. From which Indian organization the 4 personnel have been selected for training in Russia for the Gaganyaan mission that is going to be launched in 2022? Answer B. IAF. Question number 2. What is the name of the new blockchain-based payment platform of the National Payments Corporation of India? Answer B. Vajra. Question number 3. Which digital payment company has launched Unified QR code for merchants for unlimited payments? Answer B. Paytm. Question number 4. What is the theme of the NIC Tech Conclave 2020 organized by the National Informatics Center? Answer A. Technologies for Next-Gen Governance. Question number 5. The Department of Telecom, India has recently taken over process to issue and manage the allocation of IMEI. What does IMEI stand for? Answer B. International Mobile Equipment Identity. Question number 6. Which country has unveiled its first artificial intelligence police officer, Ella? Answer C. New Zealand. Question number 7. Which association recently collaborated with Niti Aayog's Atal Innovation Mission to launch artificial intelligence based module for Indian school students? Answer A. NESCOM, the National Association of Software and Service Companies. Question number 8. Which is the parent agency of National Physical Laboratory which recently developed a security ink to curb fake printing of currency notes? Answer A. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Question number 9. Polymer electrolyte membrane fuel cells, which was making news recently, is to be deployed in which field? Answer A. Disaster management. Question number 10. BioAsia is an annual biotech and life sciences forum of which state government? Answer B. Telangana. Question number 11. Ask Disha is an online chatbot of which Indian organization? Answer A. IRCTC, Indian Railways Catering and Tourism Corporation. Question number 12. 5G Hackathon was recently launched by which Union Ministry or organization? Answer C. Ministry of Communication. Question number 13. Which smartphone maker launched the first 5G enabled smartphone of India? Answer B. Realme. Question number 14. Which famous application introduced a unique feed named Discover which lets users report negative content and provides customized articles? Answer A. Google. Question number 15. What is COVID Kavach ELISA that was seen in news recently? Answer C. Testing kit. Question number 16. What is Airlines minus Corona that was seen in news recently? Answer B. Disinfectant robot. Question number 17. The TVS Group and the Sudharam Medical Foundation collaborated with which institution to develop a respiratory device called the Sundaram Ventigo? Answer C. IIT Madras. Question number 18. Samsung India partnered with which major technology company to train offline retailers about digital technologies? Answer B. Facebook. Question number 19. Which file sharing website has been ordered to be blocked by the Department of Telecom? Answer B. WeTransfer. Question number 20. What is the name of the program launched by the Ministry of Electronics and IT in collaboration with Intel India? Answer A. Responsible AI for Youth. Question number 21. Which social media platform has launched a new feature called Fleets in India? Answer B. Twitter. Question number 22. Which technology company has launched online business guide and a training program to help people move their business online? Answer A. Facebook. Question number 23. Which institution has developed an ultraviolet sanitizing product named Shuddha? Answer B. IIT Kanpur. Question number 24. Which technology company is to set up robotics laboratory at IISc Bangalore to study about 5G technology? Answer B. Nokia. Question number 25. What is the name of the crater that has been captured by the ISRO's Chandrayaan-2 orbiter? Answer B. Sarabhai crater. Question number 26. Which organization is to have India's largest incubation ecosystem with 21 centers of excellence? Answer A. Software Technology Parks of India. Question number 27. Which technology company has introduced health monitoring device HelloBand? Answer D. Amazon. Question number 28. Which institution has recently developed the world's largest solar tree in India? Answer CSIR. Question number 29. Which Indian institution has developed a disinfectant spray for surface application? Answer B. Institute of Pesticide Formulation Technology. Question number 30. Which technology company has renamed its business software package as Workspace? Answer B. Google.
If you like this video, give a like to my video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.